Ayan. Nakabigyan ng request. Ay, nice. Wait lang, ayusin ko yung settings ko kasi yung audio ng game is like overpowering yung...
Okay, since my arrow isn't that cheap.
Yeah. Yeah, oo nga pala. Make ako ng team, no? Wait lang, sasend ko. Perception 4 is just...
iPad.
Yes.
Wala. Sa ano lang.
Mimishir, you'll be with Assault Team Mimishir.
Yes.
You'll be Assault.
Dito ko lang team chat magsasalita ko pang ano sa lahat.
Siya team chat na. Team chat
Okay.
na.
Ilan na yan?
Para sila meron na lang doon sa main page.
Oo. Kulang tayo ng ano. Tangka.
Okay naman yan, no? Right? Sige. Bulwark arrangement.
Ayun, mga
Next
healers.
na yung gagawin pa.
First cloud na lang yun. Para mag-research yung vitality.
Dito. Ilagay ko na rin yung ibang assault sa bulwark kasi sila lang ba sila dun, right?
Wait, bago ba si She sa atin? Sa
Oo,
defense?
Ah, si GX pala, nandito. Yan, baguhan na, right?
Observe na lang.
Ito.
Ay, kulang kami ng
Distribution is bottom. Ay, nandun na si Retry. Nice.
Si
Okay.
Loren. Sila si Loren. Ano ko lang.
Ay, full na daw siya. Naunahan.
Hmm,
Naunahan siya.
ano pa? Koi Mimir.
Magtawag ka nga dyan, Nachi. Narinig mo ko, Nachi. Sa mic. Ay, sa
Hindi.
speaker ni ate mo.
Hindi.
Ano pa?
Patawagin mo nga siya.
Line ka dito.
Update, oh.
Oo,
Ha?
na-chat ko na.
Hindi kayo magkakatabi.
Sa mga tanks and healers natin.
Hindi.
Healer sa
Nasa CR siya.
Oo nga pala.
Kaya pala ma-echo. Nakasita.
Nag-e-echo kami kasi makamay ka ko. Siya. Nag-e-echo. Mabingi yung mga mabantay
Ay,
sa gilid.
kilala ko tong...
Trying to figure out paano yun
Filipino
gawin.
rin to
Yung ginagawa na, oh, I assign coin. I assign
Ayan na,
flower.
meron na tayong isang top.
Ayun. Pero kilala ko tong ano,
Yun.
guild na to.
Daming healer, ah. Di dapat tayo mamatay.
Everyone, just remember
String shape high. Welcome to ano.
before
Si
we hit
Raywen.
the bulwark. So as much as possible, go for the enemy jungle.
Nakapag-defense team na ba siya? Si
Building
Raywen.
markers
Tapos
signed
si...
by and then we hit the bulwark.
Si Rai, follow kay Ipan. Si Sie,
Meron
follow
tayong back
sa
ko kanino. Magana pa.
Sige, ikaw na
Yan lang naman.
Magsabi ng team nito.
Yeah.
Ikaw na.
Coins, guys.
Yung column na yan.
Prioritize
Ito lang
muna
naman
yung
yung guide
coins.
natin, guys. So,
Kakati
Top-
na kami ng
ay,
chief.
top
How?
ako.
Oh.
Top
Ay,
tayo
tumapalok ako.
na jungle. Tapos kila Ipan sa bot na jungle. Sa side natin. Assault kasi yung sa enemy side
Your
eh.
first guild war.
Tapos punta lang tayo sa bulwark
As much
natin.
as possible, try to stay close to your team.
Kung all mid yung
There are a lot of
kalaban,
seasoned veterans here already who have been playing this for like 3 weeks at that. So as much as possible, stay close to your team. Follow anyone you see, and
Top is right.
yeah, just follow the markers. Nachi will assign markers,
Oo nga
and you will
pala,
follow those
magkabaliktad
markers from
na.
your team.
So, first healing lang kayo sa simula ngayon na.
Gago, Ner. Paano tong ano, teams? Di ba 1 to 2? Yan ba yung teams? Di ba? Ito na yan. Daming healer dito sa isa. Dito wala. Oh.
Mas malakas na ba yung ano? Mic ko ngayon? O hindi?
Anyways.
Yeah.
Sige na yun.
Okay. Good.
Start na guys.
Jungle
Mount up.
na muna. Bago mag-defend ng bulwark. Jungle tayo sa respective sides natin. Bot yung ano, yung Team Ipan, Big Mojin Yuzan, Yingrai, Peroro 5.
Okay, go na.
Baba, bulwark.
Okay, baba na kayo bulwark. Go.
Go to the enemy jungle.
Mag-jungle kayo, jungle.
Jungle.
Oh, yun,
Assault team.
nanakawan
May
tayo.
mission dito. Nice. Okay. Enemy jungle first.
Jungle guys.
Sige, jungle.
Samahan niyo ako dito.
Ay, gagi na ano.
Samahan ako dito.
Jungle. Sige,
Ops, ops, ops.
Isa mo lang dyan.
Punta-
Ay,
Retreat. Punta tayo sa bulwark.
na-kill nyo na?
Yeah.
Alright, bulwark na. Kung hindi pa...
Sa bulwark na kayo.
Sa roof, kung galing kayo sa roof.
Wait lang, I will assign.
Lalaki.
Yung sa, ano, everyone on the bottom,
Pumasok na ata kayo.
yung malapit sa bottom, ano na kayo?
Tap. Asan na kayo guys?
Go to the bulwark na, guys.
Nasa bulwark kami sa top.
Yung bulwark na kayo, guys.
Okay. Tap,
Everyone go to the
guys.
bottom. Ay, yung ano, yung everyone na ano, go to the bottom yung iba. Tapos yung iba sa top.
Tap.
Kapag nakaposisyon na kayo, I will do yung bulwark attack. Ang dami ha. Okay.
Try mo yung i-press yung number 3 at
We
number...
need healers here at the bottom. Meron pa ba natira? Wait lang.
Na-clear natin?
Guys,
Okay na?
pull back.
Na-clear nyo sila.
Parang walang tao.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone, sama-sama tayo. Bottom, guys. Bottom muna.
Yung mga stragglers.
Sa top kayo. Split up the enemy. Tapos punta na kagad sa bulwark. Sige, go.
Hati-hati
Bulwark.
sila.
Lion's Roar, guys.
Balik tayo sa
Gamitin
stop.
niyo. And defend code.
Sabot naman. Sabot.
Okay.
Defend pa rin.
Wait lang.
Sige, defend.
Shoot,
Split
hati
ta-
tayo, ah. Kailangan
Ako lang,
hati, guys.
Okay.
Pwede, team big. Dito kayo sa top.
I will cast na the skill, ah.
Oh, fuck.
Everyone position na near the bulwark.
Matay ako. Sorry.
Okay? I will cast it na.
Sabot.
Use your EX skills now. I will also use Desperate Surge, guys. So, maano natin yung enemy. Okay, use your EX skills,
Oh, shit.
everything.
Guys,
Yung
ano
second
na tayo?
weapon niyo, gamitin niyo natin.
Goose.
Sige lang, i-defend nyo pa rin yung bot, no? Yung kung sino man nasa bot.
Goose na kami, goose na.
Defend lang yung wala pa, 100 minutes pa yung
Defense team, remember, meron kayong city protection. You can use that.
wala pa, cooling down po.
Focus on the bulwarks, guys. Huwag PvP, ah. Finish niyo.
Yung sa bulwark pa rin sa top na
Lion's Roar, kapag wala na. Lion's Roar and defense code. Focus ng bulwark.
Itong natin,
Wait
mga
lang,
Pinoy
konti.
mga to eh. Push yung mga kasama natin.
Okay, patapos na tong top,
Mid,
guys.
mid,
So, punta tayo sa middle.
Kill yan.
Boss alert. Boss will spawn
Mid
soon.
yung
Get ready for the boss. We're gonna desperate search when the boss spawns.
Okay.
wala pa, 40 seconds pa yung
Search.
yung city protection natin.
Hindi na matay ako.
Desperate search is na. Tapusin niyo muna yung bulwark, guys. We have 30 seconds
Center,
to do this.
guys, center.
Huwag niyo muna gamitin yung EX skills niyo, guys. Save that for the boss. Okay, everyone go to the middle now. Everyone go to the middle. Abandon this. Hintayin natin yung boss.
Heal,
Heal, please.
heal naman.
Okay? Secure yung boss, guys.
Heal natin
Tapos
naman, then
afterwards, kapag may nakita kayong
saan
jungle,
sila papunta? Hindi ko alam
just kill the jungle din.
Sino
Ay,
name dito?
Wag.
Mag-iuwi kayo sa nameless. Nameless. Set distance lang.
Okay?
Tara sa, ano,
Nice.
sa base muna, no?
Ay, wait,
Tulong
no. Hindi natin
yung
nakuha.
natin kung ano, mag-jungle yung...
Wala tayong desperate search at that time. Let's do it again yung ano sa bulwarks. May bulwark damage up tayong pwedeng gamitin. So, everyone position yourselves. Either
Coming
sa mid. Sa mid na yung iba. Sa mid na yung iba.
Yeah.
Yung iba sa top. Guys, top, 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 top.
Ilang defend lang.
Okay. Punta kayo sa mid and then I will get the other buff for the bulwark. Tapos na yun sa top guys. Tapusin nyo na yan. Tapos mid na kayo kaagad.
Yung naman tayo. Meet na tayo. Hindi na pakasama natin.
Kung kaya nyo bating yung chicken, guys.
Alis kayo dito. Bulwarks tayo. Assault team.
Dapat ang ginawa nila na yung
Mid tayo. Everyone mid.
Punta lang ako doon na sa top ah. Ay, sa mid ah. Nakakalawa yung scoring.
Okay, I will cast yung sa bulwarks guys. Okay, use your EX skills now.
O, X skills daw.
Tapos pagkatapos ng EX skills, use your line stroke. Focus yung enemy bulwark guys. Focus lang, focus. Lapit kayo, lapitan niyo, lapitan niyo. Lion short, lion short.
ayun na yun.
Paparating na lahat sila. Ready.
Nice, nakombo yung ano, lions, yung toad tapos lions. Kita ko yung damage.
Lion short. Nice, nice.
Dito na. Focus kasi. May sumama sa atin. Tap.
Lion short and leaping stone guys.
Pwede yan ah. Yuzan.
Focus kayo sa enemy bulwark.
Peroro.
Alin,
Pwede
para
tayo
sa...
tower. Tower na top. Ano lang natin. Medyo lang natin.
Yung team ko, gus lang, gus lang.
Anong natin na damage?
Gus lang tayo, guys. May galing sa top tayo, guys. Dito lang tayo sa base. Huwag kayo sa mag-PVP. Nakikita ko.
Kaya ng defense team
Dito
natin.
lang, dito lang.
Guys, sa bulwark mo.
Wala akong healer. Wala akong healer. Bakit kayo lumabas sa base?
Baka nahihila lahat sila. Sorry. Hindi naman.
Okay, I will cast
Ilan lang naman
Desperate
dito.
Surge.
Defend pa rin
Cast it
natin.
na.
Kahit isa
Use
lang.
your
Ay,
EX skills now.
sige, ikaw na. Para ako mag-heal. Yung Raywen, dito ka lang sa tower, no? Thank you. Kill naman ako.
Tayo nyo na yung bulwark guys. Tapos, I think we can go to the goose. Yung iba, mag-stay behind sa bot.
Huwag niyong halbulin sila.
This is not working yung ano.
Napasok na naman ako sa bulwark. Ano ba yan?
Yung mag-focus lang tayo sa bulwark. We have to go na sa goose after.
Yung bulwark natin. Goose tayo.
Okay guys.
Trust tayo.
Now, patayin nyo na yung bulwark and then we go to the goose.
3% na lang, oh. Yung ano na defense natin.
Focus,
Ayun,
focus.
napasok ako dun
Lion's
sa
Roar.
tower.
Don't forget. Okay. Nice.
Akong kasama.
Now go to the goose. Go to the goose.
Kaya na.
Wait. Diyan na
Ang
pala.
original,
Go, Chow.
Pinoy din mga to, actually. Hindi na makagawa. show. What? Kalat ng ano nila, assault nila. Oh,
No, it's fine, it's fine.
well.
We'll meet in the middle naman eh. Okay, let's go to the group na, guys.
Harang tayo sa
Dito
puno,
tayo.
ha?
Harang
Ha?
na.
Jump up if you can. Iwasan yung mga enemies. Straight to the goose.
Dito ka daw.
Yung mga jungle sa
Wall. Wala ba tayong
get
pambala?
some, ano for us.
Wala
Matay ako,
kang
matay.
masyado na ano, na barrier user dito sa ano, defense team. Magantayan nga tayo yung mga patay.
Save yung EX skills niya. Wala pang desperate surge.
Magano tayo dyan, guardian palm tayo dyan. Antay. Ready, set, go! Ayan, palm.
Everyone, go for the goose. I will now trigger hair pulling. We'll have more damage to the goose. Go for the goose.
Pala si
Right,
Aji.
it's already on. Just go for the goose.
Yes.
Harang lang tayo sa puno nila.
Go for the goose, guys.
Try natin to, guys.
Pwede pa ano yung
Healers,
last
try
time?
to revive the people.
Yes. Last time, magkakas din ako dyan.
Go try to hold the line for the
Dito
tree.
lang tayo ulit.
Half of the assault team has to split and take down the bottom bulwark because the goose is hurting. The bottom bulwark, guys.
There's two.
Half the assault team, not all.
Okay,
Alright,
that's
this is enough.
surge.
This is enough.
I will cast the spirit surge. Guys, use your EX skills now.
Just fit search now.
Take it. Keep the pressure.
Good, leaping toad. Use or whatever.
Guiding sword.
Use the horse too. Use everything.
Kaya harang lang.
Trust in your healers.
Okay. Focus lang. Leaping stone, guys. Tapos line short.
Go back and go for the.
Sige lang, si Grace.
Go for the bottom bulwark.
Huwag dyan sa ano, huwag dyan sa likod na.
Get out of the goose and go for the bottom bulwark.
Ng tree natin.
Oh, shit.
Harangan lang
Namatay
natin dun tayo.
The enemy used desperate search. Defense team tried to hold out. Those who just revived, help out the
Ayan,
assault
ayan.
team, guys. Go for this bottom bulwark. The goose hurts. I need help at their bottom bulwark. Defense team and the rest of the assault team, please try to help our defense team out.
Yan, patewas lang.
Hindi sila mahirapan sa atin. Hindi sila makapa...
Alright, the enemies are coming for us here at the bottom lane, guys. Get out. We're overwhelmed. We're outnumbered. Get out of here. Get out of there.
Pari kung nasa harapan tayo ng ano.
Ooh, I don't think I can save you, Dave.
Yun lang. Kaya ba natin itong speed?
Apply na ako.
No. Let's go to
As much as possible, regroup and go for the bottom bulwark. Bye, you guys. Let's go and all regroup.
Ayun, namatay. Very good.
Nice one.
Sige,
Nice one.
ano pa rin.
And for the assault team, we're gonna regroup in base and head for the bottom bulwark. Once we kill the bottom bulwark, we'll go straight for their group and let German carry the ship.
Sunugin sila.
Malapit sa bottom forward.
There's still a chance. Regroup. All of us have to stay as a group as the assault team.
Yo, namamatay sila guys.
Nice one. Oh, dito lang. Stay lang sa... Kung kaya may jungle ba?
Junglers, can you get ready for some fun coins, please?
Dami pala na.
Those who are
Maiwan
jungle,
dito
get
yung
ready for the
team
fun
ko,
coins. We
please.
need more fun coins.
Saan?
Mag-jungle yung iba.
Assault team, regroup at
Yung
the bottom
team ko
lane.
mag-jungle.
We're gonna
Yung
take down the boss.
Tara, jungle right.
Yeah, the boss. We're gonna take down the boss.
Tulungan niyo yung assault sa boss.
Then head
Importante yung
to
boss
the
niyan.
bulwark after.
Okay, boss.
This
Kaya
boss
ano,
is important,
i-hold
guys.
lang
Ignore everyone. Just go for the boss. Ignore everyone. Whoever gets the final hit decides the game, by the way. We need this boss.
Everyone at the boss.
Good
Okay,
shit,
okay,
Levy.
okay.
Good shit. Good shit. Alright, everyone, ignore everyone. Go for the bulwark. Reviving someone who's dead. Go for the bulwark. Our
Okay,
defense team
guys,
has the
dito
tree.
na.
We're fine.
Doon
Nice,
ulit
nice,
sa
nice, nice,
mid
nice.
ulit. Sa 3 ulit.
Okay, okay.
Sa 3 ulit.
Go for the bulwark. Go for the bulwark. Go, I increased the bulwark damage. Go for the bulwark, guys. We still have a chance. Our defense team is holding out really strong.
Medyo nahihirapan yung asset team natin.
Hold
The
tayo.
enemy doesn't know what they're doing right now. They're panicking. They're panicking. We got this.
Kuhang-kuha mo.
See, look at them. They're idiots. They don't know where they're going. We got this. Don't worry. I have no healer X skill, by the way. For the first, oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna fucking die. Someone
You're gonna
healer
die.
pop their X skill. Please, I'm gonna fucking die. Holy shit. Hold on.
Lines for them.
Nice one, guys.
Ah,
We have to finish this bulwark fast before the timer.
bumilis. Wag.
Bakit sila?
Regroup at bottom lane, guys. The enemy already knows what. They're already coming back to their senses.
Kung kaya nyo i-targetin, alam nyo yung target lock, di ba? Ng character.
That's fine. The bulwark is good.
Part nung
Let's
Alright,
go to
everyone,
this one.
run to the goose. Run to the goose. Run to the goose. Ignore everyone and run to the
sila,
goose.
nag-split.
Follow me. Follow me. Run to the goose. Ignore. Fuck them. Fuck them. Just run to the goose.
Wala.
Bawal
Wala.
na.
Aray, namatay na ako.
Defense team, you're doing great. They don't. The rest of their team is still going for the goose. I'm gonna trigger hair pulling now. Go attack the
Magaling
goose.
tayo sa bubong no, yung mga na...
Kill the
Yes,
goose.
Ay, yung
yes.
mga ano. Yung mga nabu... Yung mga
Tapos, lines for them.
spawn.
Patayin ang bibe.
Ay,
Still have it, guys. There's still a chance.
sa bubong no.
They'll be so down. They
Guardian
activated
Palm ulit.
Desperate Surge, by the way.
Kahit wag nang...
Ay,
I got you, I got you.
Tara. Bubong. Pwede yung nakatalong dyan.
Kutay na.
Junglers,
May
2
cheats pa
minutes.
sila.
The jungle camps will be open.
Nice.
Try to get the jungle. We're getting wide.
Namatay
This isn't
ka na
good.
agad.
Wait lang.
If any healer is still out there, try to. Oh, this is
We
wide.
have Desperate Surge
This is a
on.
wide.
We have Desperate Surge on.
Daming
Okay. For those who are will respawn, go for the ballista. We're going straight to the
We need more fun.
Huskies, ballistas, use
Hindi ko
anything.
ma-revive ta.
We have no
Tara,
coins,
doon sa
so
base
just
at-
try to use your
Good
mounts.
dyan.
We go straight to the goose. Don't. That's the. Doesn't go to their base.
Touch lang.
Go to the goose immediately. Defense team have trust the defense. Just go to the base. Ang ina, I can't get my horse. What the fuck?
Na malakas naman.
Ayun. There, I have my horse.
Yung command na yan.
Go for the goose assault team, but don't die. We don't want to die.
Sige lang.
If you're possible kapag walang talag. Okay, regroup guys.
Namatay na ako. Lo, di pa rin nila nakikill yung ano. Yung goose. Hirap naman.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
Go for the
Okay
goose.
lang
Go for
yan.
the goose.
Sa gilid
Hold
siya
the
guys.
time. Hold the time.
Yung goose.
Defend natin. Yung 3 na.
Wala
Yeah. We're here. We're here.
Wala na tayong
Alright, I'm here, guys.
wala pag-asawang tulong sa assault team. Yung three
Jungle.
na
Try to
tayo.
get the jungle space. We need the fun coins. We're really out of
Target
fun
lock ko
coins.
lang yung taga-buhat.
Manggaling
Kung kaya nyo
kayo sa
i-target lock.
bubong. Mag-ano lang
Need fun
kayo.
coins. Meron
Pwede
Desperate
nyo
Surge
i-target
pwede.
yung ano, yung
If you want.
3 carry.
Pero hair pulling maganda sana.
We'll go for hair pulling. then
Okay.
Desperate Surge.
I-hold kayo ng iba eh, kaya
Sige.
diretso
Go, go, go.
yun sa
Desperate
ano,
Surge.
mula sa
Desperate
baba.
Surge is on. Keep going, guys. Their tree is
Kinuhold lang kayo
coming.
dyan.
Our tree is going to die.
Stamina, endurance. Wala.
It's okay, we still got this, guys. We still got this. Whoever has aggro of the goose, deflect the goose's attack. That will reduce its HP.
Tara dun sa toilet. Go.
This is bad.
Go.
Guys, I know you want a PvP, but we'll go for the goose first.
Doon, diretso pre sa tree.
Ayun. There we go. Kill this bird, guys. Kill this bird.
Ano natin.
Tigilan na sila
Spam your
yun
Lion's
eh.
Roar, spam your Leaping Toad.
Dalayin na natin.
13
Enemy use Desperate Surge, guys. Enemy use Desperate
Wag
Surge.
na. Wag lang sila pauwiin.
Nandito tayo sa
Nazi.
bus.
Guys, wag pauwi sa base.
As much as possible,
Attack
hit the
team,
goose.
please, bro. Attack team.
Hindi sila
Attack team.
Tapos na.
Attack team.
Assault, they're...
Game.
Ang kulit ng lahi niya.
Okay, this is a lot. It's okay.
Yeah,
It's
this is
okay.
a loss.
Tuloy.
I cannot do comms.
Bruh.
Good game, guys.